Yes, dear student, there is a next topic material consumption statement, or we can say the cost of material consumed. It is clear. So, subscriptions account till the subscriptions account, we have completed all the topics from the top to subscriptions, and the next one is material consumptions statement or cost of material consumptions. It is clear. So let's see a particular page and particular statement and a format uh, under which we will learn how can we calculate the consumptions of material and where we will be sure. Okay. Yes, student, you can see the statement format of cost of material consumed. Cost of material consumed means doesn't matter, only particular thing will be counted as a material. First of all, we have to learn what is the material for NPO, non profit organization. So we can say if there is a sports club, different type of instruments are used in sports. Maybe ball, maybe bat, maybe stump, maybe leg pads, and many more things we are used. We used when we play in a ground. So at that time, many of the instruments are broken and uh, consumption cost is there at the time when we are using these instruments, because they having a specific life. It is clear, after that particular specific life the material is waste. It is clear. So similarly many more things also there. For example, equipments also there in a NPO, which are having for a specific purpose and having for a particular time periods, or after that time period they are wastage. So similarly materials are different type, maybe stationery, maybe medicines also there. So many more materials are there in a NPO, which are used in non-profit organization, and they having the specific cost which we have to calculate to show as a expenses in our income expenditure account. It is clear. So what will be the consumption value of that, of a particular material? So that is the expenses of NPO. Is it clear? So according to these two statements we can learn more about the cost of material consumed. So cost of material consumed, if in the beginning of the year we having the opening stock of consumable item, that may be a stationery, that may be a sports equipment, that may be a medicines, many more instruments or material we used in our NPO. So opening stock of consumable items, whatever having in the beginning of the year. Is it clear? Then we will add in this opening stock what the net purchases during the year. Net purchases and simple purchases, both are the different, and we can say the total purchases. So total purchases and net purchases both are different. How these are different? These are different. Net purchases means total purchase minus purchase return. That will be the net purchase. For example, if I purchased 10,000 rupees of material, but due to some problem or due to some reason 1,000 rupees of material were destroyed during the transportation. So it means that 1,000 rupees of material I will refund to the seller. So means what the net purchase will be there? Net purchase will be there as a 9,000 rupees. It is clear. So net purchases means what the net purchase we have there. means total purchase minus purchase return. So net purchase during the year, so both the amount we will add here, and then we will subtract closing stock what we have till the end of year. It is clear? So closing stock we will subtract here from here. So what the balance will be left, so that is a consumption value. So this balance where we will show to be shown in the income and expenditure account debit side. We have to remember that will be shown in the debit side. It is clear? So now this is another one format, because in many of the question different informations may be given. So according to those information we have to solve the question. Sometimes what happens, sometimes opening stock of consumable items is given in the question, and the creditor also given, purchases also given, cash purchases may be given, direct expenses may be given, sales return may be given, so many more transactions may be given in the question. So how can we solve that question according to the information? So in our opening stock we will show here, and then we will add closing creditors. Closing creditors means, it means what the creditor, first we have to learn. Creditors are those from those suppliers we have purchased goods on credit, so they will be the creditor for our NPO. Everybody is clear?